Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week's topic, effective cost management. Running a profitable auto repair shop requires careful cost management without sacrificing the quality of your services. By implementing smart strategies and making thoughtful decisions, you can minimize expenses while maintaining customer satisfaction and business growth. In today's video, we will explore valuable tips to help auto repair shop owners effectively manage costs without compromising on the quality of their work. Regularly review and negotiate supplier contracts. Take the time to review your contracts with suppliers regularly. Explore opportunities to negotiate better deals, bulk discounts, or long-term contracts. Build strong relationships with your suppliers to establish mutually beneficial partnerships that can result in cost savings for your business. Optimize inventory management. Efficient inventory management is vital for cost control in an auto repair shop. Keep track of your inventory levels and avoid overstocking or understocking parts. Utilize inventory management software to accurately track stock levels, identify fast-moving items, and reduce the risk of obsolete parts sitting on your shelves. Embrace preventive maintenance. Proactively maintaining your shop's equipment and tools can save you significant costs in the long run. Implement regular preventive maintenance schedules to minimize breakdowns and extend the lifespan of your equipment. This practice will reduce the need for costly repairs or premature replacements. Implement energy-saving measures. Evaluate your energy consumption and identify areas where you can reduce costs. Invest in energy-efficient lighting, heating, and cooling systems. Encourage your staff to turn off lights and equipment when not in use. By adopting energy-saving measures, you can decrease utility bills and contribute to a greener environment. Train and retain skilled technicians. Skilled technicians can diagnose and repair issues more efficiently, reducing the time and resources required for each job. Invest in training programs to enhance your technician skills and keep them up to date with the latest automotive advancements. By retaining talented employees, you can minimize recruitment and training costs. Embrace digital tools and automation. Digital tools and automation can streamline processes, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. Utilize automotive software for tasks like scheduling appointments, managing customer data, and generating invoices. Automate repetitive tasks to save time and free up your staff to focus on more complex and value-added activities. Monitor and optimize operating expenses. Regularly review your operating expenses and identify areas where cost savings can be achieved. Look for ways to reduce administrative overheads, streamline processes, and eliminate unnecessary expenses. By scrutinizing your expenses, you can identify areas of improvement and make informed decisions to minimize costs. Effective cost management is crucial for the long-term success of an auto repair shop. By implementing these strategies and making thoughtful decisions, you can minimize expenses without compromising the quality of your services. Continuously monitor your costs, seek opportunities for savings, and optimize your operations to create a financially healthy and thriving business. Remember, even small cost reductions can have a significant impact on your bottom line while ensuring your customers continue to receive excellent service.
Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.